Okay, this is 1530 Spruce Street. Large apartment building in the Rittenhouse Square neighborhood, bordering Rittenhouse Square Graduate Hospital. Tons of bars and restaurants nearby. It sits on beautiful Spruce Street. The building's called the Newport. Okay, it's really pretty. Well maintained, updated building. Nice land, like flower pots. It's a really pretty building. This is the main entrance. Keypad entry. There's a small gym in the building. It's an elevator building as well. Goes all the way to the end there. And all the way up. There's a second entrance. Or exit. Around the corner. So again, keypad entry. Can be dropped off inside the locked door, which is a huge benefit today. Okay, this is the common area. Really nicely maintained, great security. Okay, that's that other entrance I was showing you before. Here's the elevator, stairwell. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna be waiting a second. Go down to see some of the other common spaces. There's your mail area. Okay. Another one of your exits. The elevator. That's how we get up to the unit. Again, really nicely maintained. Well secured property. If you don't have stackable washer dryer in the unit, which many of them do, these are some common area units if needed. Here's the fitness center. Is everything go on? Nice machines. That's the game. Standard bench. Weights. Lots of cardio equipment. That's the common space. Now, as we head back up, we would then be going up to the unit. That's what will connect to this video to show you the main space. Hope you like it. Okay, now we're on the 7th floor. There's the fire stair for you, or one of the staircases to go down. Some more units on this floor. Very clean. Okay, and here's the unit. Peephole for safety. Deadbolt lock on the door. Beautiful hardwood floors. Really high ceilings. To the right here is the bedroom, which we'll go into last. Okay, but it's a really nice size. Again, really high ceilings, beautiful living space. There's your full bath. Okay, but nice size dining and living area. There's your kitchen, open. Tons of cabinet space, countertop space, stackable washer and dryer, refrigerator, dishwasher, gas, stove and oven, microwave. Here is a hall closet. This is like a great coat closet. Tile floors in the bathroom. Soaking tub. We call it a shower tub combo. Here's your toilet. Here's your vanity and medicine cabinet with lights. And then head back. And again, here's your living space from here, just so you can see it. And then we head back from where we came through that door. And we head into the bedroom. Great size. Again, really high ceilings. Big window. That's the fire stand, which is accessible from this floor as well. Big closets. And with this listing, we have a floor plan as well. It'll show you size of rooms and things like that. So you'll see that soon. Great fitted out closets. And here's the second closet. Again, really large, deep, lots of space. But that's the space, that's the unit. Beautiful apartment, great layout, priced really well, should rent really quick. Let us know if you have any questions and get in contact with us ASAP. Looking forward to hearing from you.